the beauty and importance of our earth. Save me, save you from pollution. I am your mother, your lifeline. Youth, protect your Mother Earth. We will reduce pollution, conserve energy, and plant trees. Let us all come together and protect the earth and work towards a cleaner and greener future. Thank you, and may children, I will become green and beautiful again. I am waiting for your hard work and effort.
Today's thought is look deep in nature and then you will understand everything better.
Today's news headlines are international news. Pope Francis dies of stroke and heart failures. Vatican confirms national news releases most avoid of treatment under PMJ. Sport news BCCI Central contracts 2014 to 2015. Layers and Ishans include back in list India T20 captain Surya Kumar Yadav still in cat.
Today we are gathered here to celebrate World Earth Day, a day to acknowledge the beauty of the faithful of our planet. As we stand on this earth, we are reminded for the responsibility we have to protect it. The earth provides us with everything we need to survive: air, water, food, and shelter. Yet our actions have often harmed the planet, leading to pollution, deforestation, and climate change. Every small action counts, and collective efforts can lead to significant positive change. Let's work together to protect our planet, preserve its natural wonders, and ensure the health and everything Earth for future generations.
Now I am going to say some facts about World Earth Day. First, World Earth Day was created by a senator. Second, it was first held on 22nd of April 1970. Third, more than 20 million people participated in the first World Earth Day. Fourth, in 2025 the theme is Our Power, Our Planet. Fifth, every year World Earth Day falls on 22nd of April.
Good morning to you all. Today I am standing here to grammar rule, and my grammar rule is conjunction. A conjunction is a word that connects other words or groups of words. For example, I ate the pizza and the pasta and is here conjunction. With this I conclude my words here. Thank you and have a great day.
Respected principal, vice principal, and all the teachers and my loving students, good morning to you all. Before I start my speech here, I would like to call to give tribute to our late Pope Francis for his wonderful deeds he has done for whole universe, especially Universal Church. May I call Reverend Father Principal to tribute him, Vice Principal and Mrs. Usa and Sister Catherine.
Pope Francis was the Pope for the entire world. For your kind general information, the faithful Vishwasigan, then we become the priests and nuns, then bishop, archbishop, cardinal, and those cardinals become the Pope. And the one who is elected the bishop in Rome is appointed as the Pope. And Pope is the supreme power among the Catholic Church of the entire world. Like we have different worlds in the countries in the world, and we have big prime minister, and we have our presidents and so on. So he is the kind of president of the whole Catholic people of the entire world. So he was born in 1936 in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and then when he was young, that time he had some problem with his lung. So part of his lung was removed, but he was so intelligent and so brilliant that he was the first Jesuit who became the Pope of the Catholic Church. First Jesuit cardinal. So after 88 years of his earthly life, on 21st of April, he went to his heavenly abode. He died. And so the entire world is now paying homage and tribute to him. His burial is not yet announced because throughout the world, all the bishops and all dignitaries will go to give him the final farewell. So the burial date and time is not yet announced. Yet we are going to give him tribute because we also run this Catholic Institute and with his blessings also. So I request you all to please keep a minute of silence and pray for the repose of the departed soul. Attention. So 1 minute of silence, please.
April 22nd, we celebrate World Earth Day, and this is very, very important. So the question for you is, name the planet which sustain life. Will you be able to give me answer? Name the planet which sustain life. Okay, very good. Earth. So we live in a beautiful earth where there is life existing. And we have how many planets on the earth, in solar system? 8. So among them, best is the earth. So I thank God, and just I would like to relate about nature to our Pope Francis, and I was the lucky one to meet him more than 5 times. So last year I met him, and he was the man really who loved the creation very much. And also he has taken so many legacies to save our Mother Earth. So I thank God for his beautiful life and taking care of the earth in Universal Church and for everyone. And today, as we celebrate World Earth Day, as we are facing many difficulties, you see that climate change. Our world is suffering with this, also deforestation and also pollution. So who is responsible for this to save? So my dear students, I will not take much time, but let us take an oath to save our Mother Earth. You cannot change the past, but you can green the future. So I would like to suggest that on your birthday, please plant trees as you see there, and also save water. Whenever you are using water, please use sparingly. And theme of this year, the celebration of World Earth Day is our power, our planet. So please understand and try to maintain and save our Mother Earth. So I would like to suggest only one thing, that please plant trees more and more. Thank you and have a nice day.
You must plant more and more trees, save the planet, Earth in different ways by not choosing to destroy in any manner it can hamper the Earth. Now, all this began in 1970s. The first World Earth Day began in 1970. Then, that time people came to the realization that the world we own, we survive, everything depends on the earth. So we have to look after the earth in order that we can survive. Not only we can survive, the coming generation also can survive properly. And that is why last year it was the theme, planet versus plastic. We have been reading in the school also, don't use plastic, but most of us use plastic. Take the vows that as much as possible, unless and until it is very urgent, don't use plastic. Plastic is going to kill our Mother Earth. And when the Mother Earth is killed, you will be automatically killed. That's why we look after. You look at this greenery behind. Wherever the Christians are there, the Adivasis are there, we look after the earth properly. Not only we, but we all should take care. That we should take care of our Mother Earth, our environment, our earth properly, so that we can survive and intelligently our future also can survive. So this year, like Sister said, the theme of the celebration is Our Power, Our Planet. The planet gives lots of power. We have renewable power, different kinds of power. We have wind power, we have hydro power, water power, we have different kinds of renewable powers and so on. So these powers we get from earth and we have to utilize this properly for the coming generation also. So take the vows that wherever and however you can manage, because जो भी तुम करते हो, थोड़ी सी भी अच्छाई करते हो, आने वाले दिनों में आपके आने वाली पीढ़ी को सुकून मिलेगा, शांति मिलेगी, चैन मिलेगा. So take care on this day that we have to help our Mother Earth survive properly in order that we survive. Live a good and intelligent life. And Pope Francis also wrote the book Laudate Si. In that Laudate Si, we have to look after our Mother Earth, who is the thing for us now. And let us not be involved and engulfed so much with the consumeristic world. And so for the petty benefits, we are destroying the whole earth. So take care of the earth and earth will take care of you. God bless you.